Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install WinRAR in Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your browser. Type RAR lab, press enter. From here you will see the first link. Click on this link. I will share this link in the description. On the left hand side you will see the download option. Click on download option. After that you will see the latest version of WinRAR on the top of your screen, which is WinRAR 64-bit 7.11. So this is the latest version of WinRAR. So click on this link. Now you can see download has started. Once the download has completed, open the file. Right click on this, open the file. Now you can see WinRAR setup window will appear on your screen. So this is the installation folder location. You can change it from here, but I am okay with it. So this is the license agreement, you can read from here. After that click on install. After a quick installation process, you will see a configuration window. By default it is already selected, so click on OK and then click on done. Close this window. Now click on window icon and in the search box type WinRAR. Open this file. So now you can see WinRAR has completely installed on your PC. So guys, in this video we saw how to download and install WinRAR on Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.